This is data mining project from Peng Yong and Wang Hanping. The dataset is from wholesale market from Lisbon, and our mission is to make a suggestion and decision making which based on the sale data in 2014, and we decide to use K-mean and EN of clustering algorithm. The process of this data mining project is like this picture. We will find a data source from UCI website, and we will do pre-processing and do file modify and do justification. Before that, we will do pre-processing data. We will remove channel and region attribute in this dataset, and we will do clustering, which we use K-mean and EM and to get result. After that, we will do normalization, and this time we will divide three datasets based from region, and we will get the result from the regions. About pre-processing, first we will do modify, and we will convert the file format online and start to run the dataset. And after that, we will do normalization, and we will divide the dataset into three parts by regions, different regions, and we will have three different results from the dataset. Overwork. In this project, we using data mining to analyze this dataset. Data mining is about a technology to find out the useful knowledge and get the interesting information in the dataset. And we will use clustering for this project. Clustering is one of the area of data mining, and there are many algorithms in this area like K-means, dbScan, and EM, and we will use K-means and EM for this project.
In this part, we'll introduce the K-mean result. We use Weka to analyze the dataset, and for the K-mean part, we get two results. Which one is first one is the data, and the numbers give us the mean of the product data, and in the right hand side is the visual one. The picture is show the calculation process for the K-mean. You can see they're divided into two clusters. Which one is first one is the 0 and 1, and this part is for the K-mean result. So next step. This side is the EM's result. The EM result is offer the mean of the product data, and also have a standard deviation about this. But for the cluster part, it have different from the k-means. In this result, he provides 7 clusters. It's based on the method of EM. I will talk this about in different in next slides. This slide is talk about the difference between gaming and EM. In the input data format is similar, but for the output have some difference. For the k-means, it only provides the mean of the dataset, but for the EM, it have a standard deviations. But the most difference is the method. K-means is calculate the cost by minimizations. So you can see the results. There are only 2 clusters or 3 at most. In the EM, he is using the maximizations. So for the most of the results, he has so many clusters. So this will be the difference of the gaming and EM. In this slide, we'll talk about the conclusions. We get the result from the weaker, and based on those data, we can say the fresh product are the best seller. And second conclusion is that region 3 need to pay more attention. That means because most of the sales data is from region 3, we can say maybe the company need to make more advertise for the region 3, and the most income is from region 3. So that's maybe the conclusions. In this slide, we'll talk about the future work, which means if we do this project in the future or next times, we have more options or another method to calculate the dataset. First, we will try more methods like the classification or association combined with the clustering. It will provide more reliable or reasonable result to the decision making. And the second one is data mining functions, because in this time the weaker is not so powerful. The result is you cannot is not so friendly for the human who first use it. Maybe in the future we'll have a more powerful software to help the people to working with the data mining. And the last part is the human factor. As we know, the data mining is just calculations with the data, but when we make decisions, we have to consider about the human factor. So maybe data mining is only one part to support the decision making. So maybe we will consider more about the human factors. So that's all of the start. Thanks for watching our presentations.